Before we could start decorating, we need to prepare our canvas. Our canvas is our cake and our frosting is our paint. So after baking, we need to cool down our cakes inside the tins or baking pan and then wrap the cake around a saran wrap or a cling wrap and then let it cool completely inside the refrigerator for a few hours. This helps the cake firm up and it would be easy for us to use or handle our cakes when it's cold. Hold the knife parallel to the cake board and carefully slice off the dome portion of the cake. Use a gentle sewing motion and keep the knife level to create an even surface. As you slice, rotate the cake gradually to ensure you trim it off evenly on all sides. This helps prevent uneven layers and ensure a level top. Use a ruler to measure the thickness of the cake and make an indentation for a guide where you'll make your cuts. Place a bit of frosting on your board. This acts as a glue to your cake. Then place the first layer of your cake on top of the board. If using a soft cake filling like jam or caramel, make sure to create a dam at the edge of the cake. And smooth it out to the level of your dam. Place your next layer cake on top and repeat the same process when you fill the cakes. For your last layer of cake, make sure to place your cake upside down on top of your filling. This prevents extra crumbs going to your frosting. You can also place a dowel or a bubble tea straw in the center of your cake for stability, especially if you're going to transport your cake. This prevents the cake from sliding while transporting. Make sure to cut your bubble tea straw at the level of your cake so that it will not poke out when you frost your cake. After you fill and stack your cakes, you're now ready to crumb coat. Put a generous amount of frosting on top of your cake and use a spatula to spread a thin layer of frosting over and at the sides. It should be thin enough that you can see the sides. Don't worry about the visible crumbs, it's all part of the process. Smooth the cake as best as you can. You can place your cakes inside the refrigerator to let it set faster. Once your cake is set, you can cover your cake completely. Let it set again inside the refrigerator for a few hours. This ensures that your cake is stable. You can decorate your cakes with rosettes, ruffles, shells, stars, and string works. You can also color your frosting to your liking. You could also put sprinkles to decorate your cakes. Always remember, in decorating cakes, don't be afraid to try new colors, new designs, and new techniques. It takes a lot of practice for you to perfect a simple cake as this and extravagant cake as this.